Yeah, guys, I just received this black saddlebag 3-liter mechanical fixing by this popular motorcycle accessory brand, that is GV. I think whoever ride motorbike will be aware lah. GV is a bike accessory, especially luggages. Alright, so this is for our touring for Malacca. No, this is for our touring KL to Singapore. Right, so what I'm going to use this for, and all this can fit into this 3-liter bag. All right, let's see, guys. So what are the things? This is the electric pump, some cable tie, 11 speed chain. Right, this EL is extra light, and some ceramic grease, WD-40, most importantly chain loop, and 2 normal tube, and a pair of Conti contact urban tires. Right, why I got 2? Because this is also for KM as well, and this is my survival kit. Right, so on top of that, I still have 2 right now tube. I got about 3 Shimano carbon brake pad, and these are all my Allen keys. This is the tire lever, right? Tire levers, and this is a chain ring fastener, just in case, and I got another extra 2 pair of Swiss stop carbon brake pad as well, right? So yeah, and then here also I have some tools lah, missing link, and then some. This one is for my gravel bike. I need to take out the valve to put the sealant. This extra blade for my penknife. Alright, so let's see whether all this stuff can put inside the 3-liter bag, saddle bag. Yeah, let's see. First, I think put this one first. Okay, put this to right at the end. Then okay, so far guys, I managed to put in 2 normal inner tube, 2 pair of tires, extra chain, 1 electric pump, and balance is this item, which I think this 3 item can fit in, but this one I need to put back in the front block bag. Alright, so you see how I adjust. So this is the final one, and these 2 have no place here. Alright, 3 liters is too much, so over ambitious. So this one I will put in my front block bag. Okay, so 3 liter been used up. Let's see how heavy it weighs. So it weighs about 1.8 kilo, almost 2 kilo lah. Right, so these 2 will be put together with my front block bag. Yes. Okay guys, I will install on my bike, and you can also install your discount light that detach, because there's slot lah. Right. One thing I love about this compared to the traditional saddlebag, they got four mounting on the bike itself last time. Right. But now, just a push of a button, you can dismount. Or push here, then you can take out already. See how easy and convenient. Right. Put back. Just make sure there's a slot here. Right. There's a slot here. You see. Yes. Must hear click. Hi guys. What's my final verdict of this GV bicycle saddle bag? Ridden with it with a load of 1.8 kg from KL to Singapore, 424 km distance within the 4 days, and under the scorching hot sun, heavy rain, so the content is dry, water never seep in, so it's 100% waterproof. And what I love about this is the size, just nice for us, like folding bike like this. It's about 3 liter capacity, and it's easy to mount and dismount. All right, that's the thing that I love about this GV saddle bike, and it's highly recommended. All right, so you can get it at Changi Cycling Singapore. All right, the number all in the description or on the screen here, so you can try to get it. This limited stock, so call them first, or I can give you the link to their Shopee for you to shop online. All right, so highly recommended, and we'll be glad we have this, because the front block only limited to 10 kilos. So during our tour, the front load bag is already 9.8 for me, almost 10 kilo. Behind is 1.8 kilo. If I don't have this, I mean my front bag will be overload. So this is a good addition for your touring accessories. Right? Bye guys.
I get a half a meal for my piece, you get a couple.